2019 SEMA in the Challenger booth with JMC equipment. What we're displaying today and talking about is our CL10 V3. It is a 10,000 pound capacity lift made in Louisville, Kentucky. It features a 3-stage front and 3-stage rear arm. We'll walk over and just show this on the display. So what we call this is Versamark Technology, and we have 3 stages of the arm here. Gives you the extension to pick up larger vehicles as well as the retraction to get the smaller vehicles as well. The advantage of our CL10 V3 is it gives you Versamark lifting, so you can lift symmetrically and asymmetrically. As mentioned earlier, this is made in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a brand new powder coat facility, state-of-the-art system that we just released new manufacturing in the past 2 years. If you look up top here, you can see a new feature we added. You can drop down the column extension 6 inches. Overall height on this lift is 11'8" standard, and you can now drop it down to 11'2".